So your lilacs, they're not performing, you say, so why don't you try a reboot and bring them down 50%, at least that one. You're gonna bring it down and in 50%. You're gonna, and now, like, you may be cutting off the buds, but so be it, because they're already not blooming, so anytime is fine. This is too much, put it on Facebook, free, come dig it out. Bring your rows forward, get a more upright grass, like a switchgrass or a Carl Forester. Back here, you're gonna plant a red twig dogwood, red osier, to the left of the witch hazel, which I don't know why the witch hazel's not taking off, but then there's room for the red twig. Move those, like the astilbe and whatnot, over to the right, so there's space for it. Don't know what the problem is with that viburnum, just its foliage. Give it a little compost maybe, like there's no growth down at the bottom. Keep your mercury thingy, whatever that is, the ground cover, if you want, it's so cool. The vine lights you're gonna prune along with the Annabelles around April Fools. Get rid of the low stuff, the crossing stuff, the weak stuff, and then bring it down, because you know the new stems are gonna grow like 3 feet. So if you're pretty severe about it, it will grow a lot and also do what it did, but it'd be a little more tidied up.